What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. We got ourselves some wheels on here finally. She's looking good. Alright, so for the last and final episode, we've got some work to do. Went ahead and did the wheels off camera, obviously. Put them on, so now we're going to be working on the glass on the interior of the body. I've already got the hood on. The body's done for the most part as far as paint and everything goes. I just have all the little knickknacks to put on, the grills, lights, that fuel tank, bumper, all that I got to put on. And then I believe, yep, rear bumper, rear lights, and then a few other things to put on there, and this will be done. So without further ado, I am going to get moving on it. And I think overall with this build, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, everything's turned out really good on this. Wheels went on really well. I did a little test fit with the body on this already. I might have to work it a little bit to get it on to fit 100% right, but shouldn't be too bad. But yep, I will get that stuff on, and we will get the body on, and I will come back once I get the glass stuff in there, and yeah, I'll show you what the body looks like. All right, we are done. Here we go. Here is our gasser, and our Wilson's gasser. Like I said, I made this one for my dad. Overall, good build. Had a lot of fun with this one. Nothing too difficult at the end. I mean, they got all the handles on, side view mirrors on. Even used the decals for the white walls. They was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Overall, I'm very happy with this. Build. I do appreciate everybody sticking around for this build series. If you guys wouldn't mind giving me a like, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you guys can hang around for the next build series that I'm going to do. Look for that video to be up shortly after this one, maybe a couple days after this one. We'll do an unboxing, and yeah, we'll get started on that one. But yeah, thanks again, guys. This is Average Model Guy signing off from the Average Model Dungeon.